Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at some leaked stuff coming to Prodigy, so let's get into the video. So the CDN was just updated and it added some stuff about the Dragon Isles, so let's go ahead and look at that. Alright, so here is the first leak. This is a spine for the Shadow Dragon, which is going to be, I assume, the final boss for the Dragon Isle. So up here you can see that there's some purple and blue eyes. There's like a shadow symbol right here, half of one right here. You can see a shadow symbol on the tail. I think this is a jaw. This will probably be the face. And then these are like hand or like claws or something. These are probably all part of the body or the wings. And yeah, this looks like it is going to be pretty cool. This next one isn't really big, so you've probably already seen this, but the outlines got darker. That's the only thing that was changed about it. So here is some audio that is very interesting. I'll just let you guys go ahead and listen to it.
Wow, that was amazing. Where did we just go? Did you see that rare pet? I bet we can find more rare pets in there if we keep looking. We just need more of those keys. And as soon as portal hopping grants us a dragon orb, we'll be able to battle one of those giant beasts. But don't forget, we still need to find all of the keystones. Everyone is counting on us. That will surely help us get stronger to fight the Puppet Master again.
Oh yeah, that was the first audio. I'm also going to show the second one. Here is that.
And I sense a new presence over at Dragon Isle. We should check that out next.
So this one was called Voice Endgame Post Puppet Master 9 Dragon Isle. And then this one was called Post First Rift. In case you're wondering who said that, that was Newt, but that sounds nothing like Newt, so rather Newt is getting him completely new voice, or they're going to change the audio to actually sound like Newt. Some very interesting stuff in this. The first one, and probably the biggest one, is that the Puppet Master is returning in the game. Newt said that will surely help us get stronger to fight the Puppet Master again. I mean that we're going to have to fight the Puppet Master a second time. I don't know how the Puppet Master is going to return, but he should be returning. The thing is that it says, but don't forget we still need to find all the keystones. Everyone is counting on us. So maybe the Puppet Master returns and then scatters the keystones around the Dragon Isle, and then we have to go find them there. I think that this island will only be accessible once you beat the Puppet Master. By this one it says, and I sense a new presence over at Dragon Isle. We should go check that out next. So that kind of makes me think that this is only available for after you beat the Puppet Master. Also, there are supposed to be rare pets, so maybe we will be seeing some like dragon pets in the Dragon Isle. Seems like the goal of the Dragon Rifts is to get a dragon orb, which will allow you to battle one of the dragon bosses. So this does tell us a lot about what is going to be coming with the Dragon Isle, like what we're going to be doing in it, sort of a little bit of what the plot of it is going to be. But it is still likely that we're going to be getting a lot more of the plot later. And then there is one more thing that I'm going to talk about. This isn't a leak, but the morph got updated. It looks very cool now. Here is the new morph icon. I'm just going to like morph into Squally since it's only a minute long. So we'll use that, and up here you can see the new morph icon. It looks pretty cool. Really like what it looks like in HD. But yeah, that is going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.